is paid 25 million.
Duond bura mar Jubilee wacho ni osuru mamalo mijuoge pacho ka en achiel kuom gigo makoro miyo nengo ngima medo bedo matek e pacho ka. Kweth ma duond bura no motesi ni Kamwene wacho ni gichano dhi e doho kendo chwalo paro mabiro chungo osuru mamalo mijuogo jo Kenya. To kar mano paro no biro dwaro ni piny owacho kik juogi moloyo 20% mar yuto mar oganda jo Kenya. Jagoro maduong' mar kweth no Kioni osiemo jodak maya e alwora mar God Kenya mondo kik giyie ti kodgi e thiro dhoudi mamoko. Kosiemo piny owacho e wi paro mar medo higni ma jatend piny Kenya bedo ge apisi.
Wamekuja wameiba Jubilee, walikuwa nafikiri wanaenda naye lakini wameshindwa. Wamekuja wametusubua sasa biashara na mambo ya Finance Act na mengine ambao yako kwa meza mpaka wa leo. Wameharibu education. The people who are suffering most also are from Mount Kenya. We have very many kids who are not in school today. Wamesema watafuga bar ili watu wasikunywe pombe, but hawarudishi ile license fees ambazo watu walikuwa wamelipa. So they are just impoverizing our people, making our people poorer.
Mimi kama wakili tumetengeneza petition inaenda kotini next week. And the petition is very clear. We want to set a constitutional limit as to how much money the government can come into your salary as direct taxation. Yes. Yeah. Because this government has gotten to a point where they think they have a right over your salary. They've gotten to a point where they can go to a 70% if they wanted. Right now, they are civil servants and people who are being taxed to the tune of 35% of your earnings. If this government thinks that it is very sweet to tax people, let them take the salaries, we shall take the taxes.
Oromo kanyo dakika 18